Hi everyone, today I would like to show you a short movie about the unboxing process of the LoRa node made by nke Watteco company. The node was sent in such parcel from Verona, Italy. Okay, let's open up. Okay, what do we got here? Bubble wrap, a smaller box with note, I guess, and couple of papers. Let's take a little look. This paper is a set of keys which allows user to connect this node to a network, and the second paper is user manual. It consists of 6 pages. We can find here such information as configuration, battery life, and simplified electrical schematics for inputs and outputs. Okay, let's have a look at this smaller box. Here we have a node, couple of elements for mounting this node outside, and aerial. Okay, this is the content of this white box. Let's take a closer look at the node. We can see here 2 stickers. We can see that this node is certified. On the bottom sticker, we can see a manufacturer, nke Watteco, specific model, In'O. This number is a family code, and this is a unique device number. The cover is mounted by 4 screws with springs. In order to open this cover, we need to use a screwdriver. We're pushing screw and rotate it 90 degrees in any direction. Okay, and here it is. This is what we have inside the node. The node is powered by 3.6 volt battery. Battery is unrechargeable, but it's not the only way to supply this node. Here we have a connector which allows to connect an external power supply. Here we have 6 digital inputs. They are all stacked in one connector, and here we have there are digital inputs as well, but they are formed in a pin strip. On the bottom we have a connector for digital outputs. Here we have a button, a switch, which allows to turn on, and here is a button which allows to switch between specific modes of this device. And that's all. Thank you.